Okay, here it is. The last thing from this big mail day. This, you saw the title. It's weird, I gotta say. I'm curious to see how well I will be able to flip with this, considering the weird little quirk that this guy has. But I think that I can get it done. And I think it'll be a fun learning curve, and it'll be doable. Like, look, this combo right here. Did not touch the blade in any way. So, DE, I wonder what that stands for. Very weird. Very, very weird. So this is something that I've always seen and been like, whoa, that is really cool. Because of the quirk it has, but also just because of the knife itself. The handles are awesome. The shape of the blade, oh my. You don't see blade shapes like that. Oh, that's cool. A little JK bag with a carbon honey patch. That's awesome. This is a Haz Tac Bally, my first Haz Tac Bally. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. That happens to be double-edged. It does have a choil that will be forgiving. It's going to be kind of difficult to get a ring of shame on this guy. However, it's pretty dull. Yeah, I'm going to get this sharpened at blade. Let's just say that. Dull. Dull. Okay, so this thing is pretty much completely dulled. That is a little bit of a lifesaver. Thank you, Kelly Pruitt, for doing that. Oh my gosh. This thing is so much fun. What the heck? Okay. Let me do a jump cut while I grab a screwdriver. What the heck are those pivots? What? Okay, well, okay. I got my Torx driver. That's a good sign. No bind. Ooh, a little bit of bind. It's okay though. So this blade is very heavily polished. Very, very beautiful. Just a little bit more bind. What the heck? I will get this, and then I'm going to oil it too. Okay, let's use some simple syrup on this guy. The thickest oil known to man. That takes 45 minutes to work in, but is worth it. That's what I have on my Corvus right now. This stuff's sweet. And there goes the Corvus. Okay, this thing is so stupid beautiful. It's got a toxic anno on it that is done poorly. I'll say that. Like, look, it's missing in some places, but the toxic anno looks really cool. I will say, I want to leave it, but I'm not going to. I'm going to re-anodize this in true Buffness fashion with jeweling, probably in teal somewhere. because teal and jeweling goes so well together. Okay. I think that's as good as the tune's gonna get right now. Pretty solid, actually. Let's give it some more flips. I really just want to go right into an OG Chaplin, but I can't. Because if this thing was actually sharp, oh man, I would be a goner. I keep almost doing like giraffes and stuff. So as you can see, I know how to flip double edge. I'm a good enough flipper. I have flipped so much, it still has bind, that I can tell what trick is gonna do what quick enough that I can stop myself. If I were to go into a Chaplin of any sort, I would be like, oh shoot, that would be a Chaplin. And it does slow my flipping down a little bit, but it's a good thing that I at least know how to do it. Man, this thing's cool. Like, really cool. It's so stinking cool. It flips good, for sure. This is a Haz Tac Bally. Haz Tac. And from what I've flipped of their stuff, just at Blade Show, I really liked. And this is no different, for sure. It flips insanely well. Let's give a full sound test. Sounds good. Definitely flips good. And for my first double-edged Bally, it's awesome. I love, love, love this blade shape. Like, look at that. It's literally just like a sword. Double-edged sword, but in a Balisong. The handles are epic. I love the way the handles look. Probably more than I should. It's got jimping. Weird jimping, for sure. Normal here. Weird there, but let's test that out. It's a very short jimping. But if you stay kind of near the ends of the handles, it will stop you, so that's good. You kind of need good jimping on something where you can not do a lot of tricks. It's gonna take some getting used to, for sure. But boy, is it fun. Boy, am I excited to sharpen it and learn from it. And boy, is that thing pretty. Okay, let me try to think up the best combo I could possibly do on this. Because on a double-sided Bally, can't do a lot. There's a lot you can't do, but there is a lot you can do. And if you are careful enough and experienced enough, if you have been flipping for 1.75 years, like myself, then you should be able to figure out how to do this. I messed it up. Come on. whatever. I'll make a combo with it later. But you can still do a lot, that's my point. This bind is kind of annoying. I'm feeling it a lot, just in weird places. But I'm gonna mess with this, gonna mod it. Gonna be bringing this one to Blade Show. No plans on selling it just yet. But I got a really good deal on it, so I'm very happy I have it. And there's a double-edged Balisong. It's gonna be fun to learn with. No doubt in my mind. Also, titanium bracelet. I'm gonna anodize it soon. All you in my stream the other day saw that. And by the way, if you were seeing this video, I'm on my way to Blade Show West right now. So, see you there. Feel free to grab some of my merch at Blade Show West if you find me, and I still have merch. Feel free to send me some trade offers at the show for anything over there. The show's gonna be insane. I'm gonna make a video on all the new stuff as soon as I purchase it. So, stay tuned for that. Enjoy your life. I'll have a video out on this pretty soon here. Well, maybe not that soon, but a follow-up. Shorts though, I'll make a cool short once the thing is actually on the sharper side.